Hey guys! Today I will be taking you through the journey of my Zulu reed dance ceremony. For those of you who does not know what the Umemulo ceremony means to us, the Zulu girl child and maidens. The annual Zulu Umemulo reed dance ceremony is used to celebrate the purity and chastity of the Zulu girl child. It's our pride, and every year, I personally look towards this ceremony as it means a lot to me. Join me as I take you through the whole experience. I started the journey with a hired car. I will be picking some of my friends on my way as well. We stopped for lunch and thereafter continued the journey. We arrived late, all exhausted, but with so much excitement as we look forward to start the evening rituals. I threw a few steps to announce my arrival. Yeah, I am here now. We barely settled down after arrival. Then we started the first dance rehearsal with our bright costumes. Then we changed again into our white costumes in readiness for more dance practices and late-night accreditation. But this is just the beginning of the 2 days long ceremony of reeds. In my next video, I will be sharing more dance steps while showcasing the rich Zulu tradition of protecting the girl child and women. Our heritage is kept alive by this annual Zulu festival, and I am very proud to be part of this.